Yeah, I overslept. I'm not gonna lie. Normally that truck is running and airing up by 6 a.m. every morning. Puts me down at the elevator by 7, a little after 7. The truck's being dumped by at least 7:30, and by 8:30 I'm back here at the farm firing up that truck to go on my second load. It's 8:30 right now. Yeah. It's bound to happen, I guess. And you know what the biggest problem is when you oversleep? All day long you're going to be going, I could have been done with this by now. I could have been out here by now. I could have had this done by now. I could have done that by now. I'm gonna be thinking about that like all day today now. Be like, I should have had this done by now. I could have been here by now. Well, this day's ruined. I'm gonna be that way all day today, but it is what it is. Let's make the best of it. I am getting closer to being done. I have 2 combine loads of corn to cut in the field that I'm currently in right now, and then I can move to the next field. In the next field, the corn doesn't look that great, so I have a feeling I'll be able to just blow through that field really fast, and then we're going to switch combine back over to beans and finish off the rest of the beans. So we've got like a handful of days left and we're done with harvest. So it's looking like I might be able to be done by Halloween. It's going to be close, but we're going to see. Or at least I'd be closer to being done by Halloween if some idiot wouldn't have slept in this morning. We were all thinking that. This is what happens when you oversleep. I'm stuck. I'm stuck in a big old line to dump. So, dump this truck, go back, get the other truck, come down, dump it. It probably won't be till 1, 2 o'clock before I start cutting. Alright, what'd I say? Between 1 and 2 o'clock, it is 1:18. And I'm at the combine. Yeah. And that's being caught in a line at the elevator both times. Caught by a train once. Got stuck in traffic. I'm not gonna lie. I may have fractured the speed limit a little bit, but we got here and we're getting ready to roll. I mean, let's be honest. Speed limits are just a suggestion anyway, right? Okay. If my calculations are correct, and these are calculations based off of 10:30 last night with the headlights on, counting rows, I should have 32 rows left, which means I should have 4 passes down, back, down, back, and it would be 2 combine loads, and this field is done. And then we can drop the head, drop the hopper, move to the next field. But we'll see how accurate I am. This is the last pass in this field. This field's done. Sorry guys, I ended up moving to the next field. I got set up here. I ended up having some riders with me in the cab. So I was visiting with them and showing them how the combine works, you know, things like that. And now I'm 6 acres into the last 10 acres left. So I'm hoping, cross my fingers, knock on wood, I'm hoping what's left out here will fit in this last truck and I will be done with corn. What you guys are seeing right now is the last pass of 2024 corn harvest for us. I'm going to switch back and start doing soybeans after this. Oh, I'm going to have to make a TikTok video. 2024 corn harvest is officially done. That's the last of the corn. All right. So now what I'm going to do, it is 20 minutes to 6. I'm going to drop the corn head off the combine on that cart over there and pick up the bean head, run this semi back to the farm, get my pickup truck because I have some parts for the bean head, and I'm going to work on getting the bean head parts on it tonight. That way tomorrow morning I can truck these 2 loads of corn in, come back, turn the key on this bad boy and start cutting beans, and hopefully we can get beans done in the next couple days. I have about 130-ish acres of beans left to do. Hopefully we can knock those out in the next few days. It's supposed to rain Friday, and today is Saturday. So I have, what, five days to do it? So, knock on wood, hopefully everything holds together and we can get her knocked out and done. And then I'll be done by Halloween. Alright, I got tools. I have parts. Let's go work on that head and get that up and going yet tonight. Alright, to tell you guys what's going on here is, see the droop in the head right here? It should be up like that. The reason why this is drooping like it is because this plate right here is supposed to be attached to this bar, and it's broken. I'll show you what I mean. So this is the new plate. Okay, this piece right here, that's what bolts to that arm, and that's what's broken off. So that's what's creating the droop in the head right here. So I got a new piece to replace this piece to eliminate that. So now I got to tear it apart, put the new poly on, the new piece on, and get her back together. And I also have new, I call them bushings, but they're called bearings. They're plastic bearings that ride in here. I got some new ones for this reel because, well, this is why. Tain't supposed to be loose like that. Alright, I'm gonna get cracking on this before it gets too dark. Alright, I got the new piece on. It's still drooping a little bit because I have the hydraulic flex pressure way down. But once I go to start it tomorrow, I will raise the pressure up and then bring it up flat. But I'm doing it in headlights. Oh well. Alright, I'm going home. So, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.